Hello, I'm Simon Pirotte, Principal and Chief Executive of Bridgend College, and I've been part of a group supporting Welsh Government in shaping its approach to the COVID-19 pandemic, the evolving situation and its impact on educational settings. And as we all know, it's quite complex, but staff across all educational settings have been quite magnificent in their flexibility and resilience and in their commitment to our learners. And each educational setting, college, work-based learning provider, school, university, has its own unique set of challenges and priorities. There are no timescales at present, and it won't be a one-size-fits-all Big Bang approach either. And our Education Minister, Kirsty Williams, has been quite clear that the health and well-being of our staff and learners is paramount in any decision for groups of learners to return to any educational setting. And these decisions will be based on a solid bank of evidence. And I'm confident that through working together in Wales, that we can manage this transition. Diolch yn fawr.